Welcome back to AI Tools Talk, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest AI tools that are revolutionizing the industry. As you know, new AI tools are released daily, and it's our mission to test them rigorously and report the best of the best. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's top 5 AI tools. Let's get started. Our first tool is H2O GPT. With this tool, you can simultaneously run 6 open source AI models for the same input. It's a powerful large language model called LLM, fine-tuning framework, and chatbot UI that offers document question answers capabilities. If you are looking for a versatile AI tool, H2O GPT is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have Make Landing. If you are tired of spending hours on designing landing pages, then well, with Make Landing, you can say goodbye to that hassle. This tool allows you to design beautiful landing pages within seconds. Simply write about your project, and Make Landing will generate an entire landing page for you, complete with compelling copy, a unique logo, illustrations, and beautiful icons. It's a game changer for everyone looking to create stunning landing pages effortlessly. Moving on, we have Niva. This tool is all about creating AI-powered knowledge bases for business use. With this tool, you can create personalized learning plans using AI technology. It's powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT, which ensures accurate and intelligent responses. If you are looking to harness the power of AI to build knowledge bases and improve learning experiences, Nibble is the best tool for you. Now, let's talk about Hello. Do you want to skyrocket your meeting productivity? Look no further. Hello is here to help. With Hello, you get shared online agendas, suggested questions, action items, and more. It streamlines your meetings, ensuring that everyone stays on track and productive. If you want to make the most out of your meetings, Hello is a must-have tool. Last but not least, we have Super Tools. This tool is a true gem for AI enthusiasts. Super Tools organize hundreds of AI tools in one spot, making it easy for you to find the right tool for your needs. Whether you are looking to increase productivity, enhance your skills, or achieve superhuman abilities, Super Tools has you covered. It's like having a curated database of the best AI tools at your fingertips. And that wraps up on today's top AI tools. We hope you found these tools are exciting as we did. Remember to check out the links given in the video to learn more about each tool. If you have any suggestions for future AI tool you would like us to review, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Tools Talk for more updates on the latest AI innovations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.